Rows of numbers speak. Telling stories from the world. Truth in totals hides. Descriptive analysis is the first step in making sense of large datasets. It helps scientists summarize data through analyzing the data using statistical tools such as the mean, median, mode, and range. Graphs and tables provide visual insights into patterns or trends. The mean is calculated by adding all the values in a dataset and dividing by the number of values. It gives a general idea of what is typical or average. For example, the average rainfall in Sydney over a year tells us how much rain we might expect. The median is the middle value when the data is arranged in order. This is useful when the dataset has outliers or extreme values that could skew the mean. If one year had an unusually high rainfall, the median might better represent a typical year. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently in the dataset. This can be useful in identifying common behaviors or preferences. In transport data, the mode might tell us which time of day is most popular for commuting. The range shows the spread of data by subtracting the smallest value from the largest. It gives a sense of variability or consistency. A small range in rainfall might suggest a stable climate, while a large range shows unpredictability. The Bureau of Meteorology collects rainfall data daily using calibrated rain gauges stationed across the entire country. This data is entered into a national database, where errors are removed and data is stored long-term. Anyone can access this data to look at average annual rainfall, changes in seasonal patterns, and extreme weather events. By calculating the mean rainfall each year for the past 5 decades, we can determine if there is a declining trend. The median helps identify typical annual rainfall, and the range shows how variable each year's total has been. This information is used to inform drought responses, design water conservation policies, and assist farmers with crop planning. Transport NSW collects data from every trip using an Opal card on buses, trains, light rail, and ferries. This produces a massive dataset that includes time, location, and frequency of travel. Descriptive analysis can be used to determine the mean number of trips per person, the most common travel times, mode, and the median duration of trips across different suburbs. By looking at range, planners can understand which suburbs have the greatest variation in usage. This information helps with designing better transport timetables, reducing congestion, and planning infrastructure upgrades. Identifying that the mode of train trips occurs at 8:15 a.m. supports the need for more frequent services at that time.